It will continue to trend because what we see at the under 20 level, which is where the production line is, there is definitely a conveyor belt system that we have in Jamaica. We're not finding talent now and then. We have a system of developing the talent, identifying them, teaching them the skills, and they are actually coming through. What we need is really support as they move from junior to senior, to support the transition and to continue their development. So what we see at the under 20 level gives us all confidence that we'll be around for a very long time because the talent and the abilities there are solid. And there are so many athletes that we have on both male and female side who, if we just provide a little bit more support to them, in a couple of years, it's the same story we're going to be having, just different names. We do have the people there, and the coaching talent is also there to help develop those as well.